Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking PowerPoint 2E coasters. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, and many more courses. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. PowerPoint 2E courses title of assignment, and you can see here project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now question 1 is that open the student PowerPoint 2E coaster PPT to download with this project. Basically, in this question we will have to download the PowerPoint file from Pearson IT dashboard. You can see here I have also downloaded this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, and then now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, on slide 2, remove the bullet symbol from the paragraph and then center the paragraph. On slide 2, remove the bullet symbol from the paragraph and then center the paragraph. Okay. Moving on PowerPoint file, then click on slide 2 and then select this paragraph and then remove the bullet and then center the paragraph. And then center the paragraph. Click on center. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question number 3. Okay, this is done now. Question number 3. In question number 3, with the content placeholder selected, display the shape style gallery and then apply the subtle effect blue, gray, and 5 style. The fourth row 6 style, apply the rounded convex beveled shape effect to the placeholder. Okay, with the contents placeholder selected, moving on PowerPoint file and then with the content placeholder selected, display the shape style gallery and then apply the subtle you can select this, display the shape style gallery and then apply the subtle, go to the format shape and then click on value gray and 5 style for the fourth row 6 style. Okay, click on shape format, click on theme style and then fourth row and 6 style. 6 style, this is done now. Then select 6 style 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, apply the round convex beveled shape effect to the placeholder. And then click on shape format, then click on shape effect, then click on bevel, round bevel, reduction Z, then cross, then strength you can see here, soft round, rapid, high, round convex here. Okay, select this round convex. Then moving on question number 4. In question number 4, I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 4. In question number 4, on slide 3, apply numbering to the first level bullets point, intensity, hang time, and last chance. Change all of the second level bullets to start bullets and then change the bullet color to the under, then theme color of the fifth column to the fourth row. Okay, on slide 3, apply numbering to the first level bullet point, intensity, hang time, and last chance. You can select this. Then click on shape format, then click on Last chance, hang time, last chance, intensity, and just done now. Okay, change all of the second level bullets to the start bullets and then change the bullets color to the under theme colors. You can select the second start bullets. Okay, then go to the bullets and then select this bullet. Okay, then go select this and then go to the bullets and then select this. Okay, start bullet. Start bullets. Okay, and then change the bullets color to the under theme color in the fifth column, the fourth color. Okay, and then change. Okay, the theme color. This is done now. Fifth color, fifth column in the fourth color. Then press OK. You can select this and then go to the bullets and go to the color and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column in the fifth color, 4 color, 5 column in the. You can select this and then go to the color, bullets and numbering, and then go to the color. There is color. You can select this color. Okay, this is done now. Fourth color, fifth column in the fourth color. This is done. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 5. You want to select this, select the data using the eyedropper, select the light blue color of the sky and then the right side of the picture and then change the font color to the title. On slide 1, apply the same light blue color to the slide title. Okay, basically in this question on the slide 3, select the title using the eyedropper, select the light blue color of the sky at the right side of the picture. On slide 3, click on slide 3. Click coaster for 2025 on the using the select this title and using the eyedropper select the light blue color of the sky. Okay, go to the format shape and then click on the text field, then click on the eyedropper. Okay, okay, on slide 1 apply the same light blue color to the slide title. On slide 1 go to the home tab and you can select this title and then click on the shape format, then click on text field, then click on eyedropper. Okay, on the same color. Okay, I have done this question right now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 6. Question 6 has 10 point. Now moving on next question. I have done 5 questions right now. Question number 6 is that on slide 3 apply the globe 5 point aqua accent color 2 picture effect to this picture. On slide 3 apply the globe 5 point aqua accent color 2 picture effect to the picture. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown on my PC screen and given in the description. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, economics, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me for your help. Okay, on slide 3, apply the glow 5 point. Click on slide 3, apply glow 5 point. Aqua accent color 2 picture effect. Go to the picture format. Then click on picture effect. Then click on glow and you can select this glow 5%. Click on glow and here is color 2 picture effect to the picture. This is done now. Now moving on next question. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that on slide 4 insert an online picture by searching for roller coaster and then okay, 1 second. Okay, reading pupil riding a roller coaster. Crop the picture by dragging to the crop handle so that it's roughly square in shape. Okay, on slide 4 insert an online picture by searching for roller coaster. Moving on PowerPoint file, click on slide 4 and then insert an online picture by searching for roller coaster and then insert a picture of pupil riding a roller coaster. You can insert online picture by searching. You can click on insert, click on picture online, then you can insert picture roller coaster. Now 1 second, my internet is slow now. Roller coaster, online picture is roller coaster. Okay, then select this, then insert online picture, download it. It will be take some time and then it will be inserted now. Okay, crop the picture by dragging the crop handle so that it's slowly square in the shape. Click on crop and you can crop this. Okay, crop this. Okay, this is done now. I have done half assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses, all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing and many more courses. Please contact me for your assignment help, your exam help, your quizzes help, or you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best